Hello alkanes and hello arenes. This is Pranav Kumar Vats and we are going to study this important class of organic compound. So the replacement of hydrogen atoms in an aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom or atoms. Either one hydrogen is replaced or more than one hydrogen is replaced, then it results in the formation of alkyl halide, which is also known as haloalkane, and aryl halides known as haloarene. These alkyl halides are represented by the symbol R and X. Here X stands for halogen and R stands for alkyl group. Haloalkanes contain halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. If we talk about the haloalkane, for example, you may see here if we talk about the hybridization of this carbon atom, the hybridization of this carbon atom will be sp3. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Now if we talk about the aryl halides, the hybridization of this carbon atom is sp2 hai. So when halogen atoms, this X is either attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it results in formation of alkyl halide and aryl halides. Many halogen containing organic compounds occur in nature and some of these are clinically useful. Clinically useful means it is used either in the treatment of a particular disease or prevention of disease. These classes of compounds find wide applications in industry as well as in day-to-day life. They are used as solvents for relatively non-polar compounds and as starting materials for the synthesis of wide range of organic compounds. Some uses are chloramphenicol is a synthetic antibiotic used in the prevention of typhoid fever and many viral fever. Our body produces iodine containing hormone thyroxine, very important to maintain the metabolism of our body, and its deficiency causes severe health problems, and one of these problems is goiter. This goiter arises in those areas where there is deficiency of iodine in drinking water. Synthetic halogen compounds with chloroquine is used for the treatment of malaria. You have heard about the hydroxychloroquine. This drug is used in the treatment of malaria. Many developed countries are demanding this medicine from our country. US, Russia, France, Britain, all these countries are demanding this drug because we are major producer of this hydroxychloroquine. Haloethane is used as an anesthetic during surgery. Anesthetics are those drugs which is used during the operation. It is pre-operative treatment. Before operation, this drug is given to make sleep, we can say बेहोश करने के लिए इस ड्रग को यूज़ करते हैं. बेहोशी के लिए जो ड्रग यूज़ किया जाता है उसको एनेस्थेटिक ड्रग्स कहते हैं. सो यूज्ड एज एन एनेस्थेटिक ड्रग्स ड्यूरिंग सर्जरी. नाउ scientists are working in the field of producing artificial blood, and for the production of artificial blood, these fluorinated compounds are very important because the function of fluorine is same as that of iron in the hemoglobin. So in the future we may replace blood by the fluorinated halogenated fluorinated compounds. In this unit, we will basically learn about the methods of production of haloalkane and haloarenes, their physical and chemical properties. But first, we'll talk about the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So first classification is on the basis of number of halogen atoms. If there is one halogen atom, then it will be monohaloalkane. If there is two halogen atom in the carbon chain, then it is called dihaloalkane. And if there is three halogen atoms, then it is called trihaloalkane. In benzene or arene compounds, if there is one halogen, then monohaloarene. For two halogens, dihaloarenes. For three halogens, we'll write trihaloarenes. Monohalo compounds may further classified according to the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen is bonded as given below. First one is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. You can see here these compounds, the hybridization of these compounds here, carbon. You can see I am drawing this structure here, R dash C H and then this is X, and here also H is there. So if we count the number of total sigma bond, this is our first sigma bond, this one is second, this one is third, this one is fourth. So total steric factor will be 4, and when steric factor is 4, then hybridization will be sp3. So you can see this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized atom, and if halogens are attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, then it is simply called alkyl halides. And the classification of alkyl halides are 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. If there is one alkyl group attached with the carbon on which halogen is attached, you can see here you can see only one alkyl group attached to the carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, so it is called 1 degree or primary haloalkanes. Here you can see how many are there, 2 are there, 1 and 1, 2 alkyl groups are there, so it is secondary or 2 degree haloalkane. And in this case you can see how many alkyl groups are there, 3 alkyl groups, so it is 3 degree alkyl halide. Now we'll talk about the allylic halides. One general formula is there for allylic halides. If such sequence is there, one carbon, another carbon, and then halogen. Condition is, this is carbon number 1, this one is carbon number 2. This carbon number must be sp2 hybridized, and this carbon must be sp3 hybridized. So if this sequence is followed by any haloalkane, then this is called allylic halides. Means with sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom should be attached, and with which sp3 hybridized carbon atom halogen should be attached. So next one is benzylic halides. In benzylic halides, condition is same, that is one carbon, another carbon, and then halogen. But the case is that this carbon must be sp2 hybridized. First thing is sp2 hybridized, and second is it must be aromatic. If such aromatic in strictly benzene, this carbon must be a carbon of benzene, and with this obviously we know that all carbons of benzene is sp2 hybridized. So if with this sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene, sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached, this one is sp3 hybridized, you can see sp3 hybridized, and with this if halogen groups are attached, then it is called benzylic halides. You can see here sp2 hybridized carbon benzene, this carbon here you can see this carbon is sp2 hybridized, and this carbon is sp3 hybridized, and then halogen is attached with it. Now further classification is vinylic halides. Vinylic halides are those halides in which actually it is specifically when the C double bond C means with sp2 hybridized carbon atom if halogen is attached. If this configuration is there, you can see this carbon is also sp2 hybridized and this carbon is also sp2 hybridized, and with this halogen atom is attached. If this configuration is there, then it is called vinylic halide. Aryl halides. In case of aryl halides, if halogen atom is directly attached with benzene ring, or we can say that C, if this arrangement is there CX, where this carbon is carbon of benzene, then it is called, then this is known as aryl halide.